It is 8:28 a.m. Thursday, January 4th, 2018 here in Tabb, Virginia. And the blizzard of 2018 is still going. Looks like it's coming to an end there. I think there's a little snow falling, but I think most of that is just the wind blowing it. And now we've got 3 really, really cold days coming up with the polar vortex. And then Sunday it's supposed to get a little warmer, and then Monday hopefully 50. So it's going to be 3 cold days. And you can see it's really built up on that azalea bush. The azalea's going, what's going on here? Thought this was the south. And one of the forsythias there. Looks pretty. I'm not seeing any signs of yellow flowers. Boy, look at that tree blowing side to side across the street. That big old oak. Always beautiful in the fall. But it's not happy right now. I mean, it is really moving side to side. Okay. That's all for now from Tabb, Virginia, and the Great Blizzard of 2018.